This 2018 Dutchmen Voltage V3605 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, TV, refrigerator, leveling jacks, Skylight, LP detector, smoke detector, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Dutchmen Voltage V3605 is 13,563 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.